This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 4, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're going to use the strategies that we learned in the previous 2 lessons to help us solve word problems. The first question says there are 39 books on the top bookshelf. Marcy added 48 more books. How many books are on the top shelf now? As you can see, I've written my final answer with a blank for the solution. If I write my statement at the beginning of the problem, it helps me stay focused on the goal of the word problem. So I know that in order to find the total number of books, I need to add 39 and 48. But again, I want to use a mental math strategy to help me solve this problem. So I'm going to use the compensation addition strategy that we learned a couple of lessons ago, which means I want to turn my 39 into 40 because that will make it easier for me to add. So I know if I add one number to 39 to make it 40, I need to subtract that number from 48, which makes that 47. So to compensate for adding the 1 to the 39, I have to take the 1 away from the 48. Now my addition problem is 40 plus 47, which I know is 87. So there are 87 books on the top shelf. So I can use that compensation strategy to help me solve the problem mentally. Let's move on to the next question. This one says there are 53 regular pencils and 27 colored pencils in the bin. How many pencils are in the bin? So I have regular pencils and colored pencils. So I want to know the total number of pencils in the bin. Once again, I've written my solution statement off to the side with a blank for my final answer. So I know I need to find the total number of pencils in the bin. So the question I am solving is 53 plus 27. Again, I'm going to look for a compensation strategy to help me solve this mentally. 27 is close to 30, so I want to put 3 on 27 to make it 30, which means I'm going to subtract that 3 from the 53. It becomes 50. The 3 that I subtracted, I'll add on to the 27, and that makes 30. So instead of solving the problem of 53 plus 27, I can easily solve 50 plus 30, and I know that there are 80 pencils in the bin.